Let me know what you guys think. Kind of girly or not? What's freaking going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Snussycopen, back for another freaking video today. Now, today we're gonna watch the freaking sweet intro. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. This is freaking America Day, that's why. Taking a lot of freaking recommendations from you guys about what videos you want to see. Now, I had a recommendation of a vehicle that I never thought in a million years that I would ever talk about on my channel, just based off of the vehicles that I own and what I'm into. But today, we're gonna have a diesel owner talk about a Toyota Prius. As always, if you guys own a freaking Toyota Prius, this video is all in good fun. It's meant literally to be 100% biased for the diesel community because I own a freaking diesel, okay? I might be in my wife's four-door Jeep Wrangler right now, but at home is an LB7 Duramax that rolls coal and has blow-by and is terrible for the economy because it pollutes all over the freaking place, and I hope you feel like crap. Let's face it, we have all seen videos of diesel trucks rolling coal on Priuses. And every time I watch one of those videos, it's freaking hilarious. I sit there and I laugh because I'm like, ha, 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 ha. How's that for being fuel efficient and saving the economy? Huh? It's not. But guess what? That's my freaking choice. And guess what? This freaking video will probably get demonetized because I'm gonna make some references to other things like sexuality and things that are probably not gonna be approved and get this video demonetized, but I don't care. It's just like transgenderism, okay? If I don't agree with transgenderism, at the end of the day, if you're born with a dick, you are a man, okay? It's not my fucking responsibility to be eco-friendly because you have a Prius. It's not at all. Just like I don't look at you because you think you're a girl, that you're a girl, because you're not. You're a dude with a dong and a wig. Just because you have long hair doesn't mean shit to me. For the record, I have no strikes on my YouTube account at all, so I will bite the bullet on this one if I have this one, filed as a complaint or whatever. And honestly, it'll really live up to it because some Prius owner that's also a transgender will probably watch this video and be like, I'm so offended. This guy's an asshole. Look at him with his AirPods and his Bass Pro hat. He's probably a racist. For the record, I am friends with all sorts of people. It doesn't matter what your nationality is or anything like that. I don't care. I am friends with people who are nice to me. I treat people with respect if they give it to me. If people want to try to force their opinions or their religion or anything like that on me, I don't have to agree with it, but it also shouldn't stem into an argument. So this, like I said, is all in good freaking fun. This video is just literally, for the diesel owners that feel the same way about I do the America way. Okay, that'll definitely get this demonetized. At the end of the day, everybody is entitled to their own freaking opinions, their own vehicles, their own vehicle preference, everything like that. My vehicle preference is definitely 100% not to own a Prius. 100%. If I want something that's fuel efficient, I will go out and I will buy a motorcycle. Get some balls, ride a motorcycle, be fuel efficient, and have fun while doing it. Why? Because I don't necessarily need to be eco-friendly. I don't necessarily believe in a lot of like the global warming and all that other stuff. Because you know what? In Pennsylvania, it was cold as shit this winter. Okay, so I don't necessarily believe in some of the stuff that the government wants you to believe, but that's just another one of those things that'll probably get this video demonetized. All in all, guys, we're gonna keep this video freaking short just because it's gonna get demonetized, so I don't want to necessarily put too much freaking effort into it. But enjoy the remaining clips of diesel trucks versus Priuses. Until next time, guys, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below as to what vehicle you would actually like to see a review on. Until next time, enjoy the clip.
Nice!
Yeah.
I came over here because it was quiet, because there was nobody here, and you come up here with your gas-guzzling piece of shit, and the exhaust is spewing everywhere.
Hey, don't you swear in front of my daughter. Get out.
Hey!
Get out.
Here.
Get out.
Cheryl!
You're
Now.
You better step back.
Cheryl!
Now.
Cheryl!
Yes.
Cheryl, don't!
You better step back. Don't
We're
even touch
here
me.
waiting for you.
Don't even touch me, okay? Step
I
back.
didn't touch you.
I'm
Yes.
just asking you to be pleasant and courteous, and you guys aren't willing to. That's all.
I
I'm
backed
asking
up!
for.
I backed up!
There's your exhaust pipe. The wind is blowing in this direction.
Then roll up your
Why is
windows!
the goddamn car on?
Because my daughter is in here and I got
Then
the
roll
air
your
blown.
own windows down. What's the matter with you? You gotta make that much pollution? Is it your right to make that much pollution with this goddamn car anyway? And then you gotta sit in a parking lot. You gotta sit in a parking lot with the car going, and you're laughing because you're mindless and you're ignorant because you have no care about anybody else but yourself. What do you do for a living?
Marketing, what do you do?
What do you do?
Marketing, what do you do?
Marketing. There you go. And you need this vehicle for your marketing, don't you?
Oh, I also have a farm, but that's okay.
You
I have
need this
horses.
vehicle for your marketing. It's
What do you-
irresponsible. And I'm
Irresponsible.
Sick to death of it.
Oh,
I'm sick to death
okay,
of people
then
like
you-
you. Mindless, ignorant, irresponsible, and inconsiderate.
Okay.
And you got 2 kids, and now you're going to train them to be the same way. Nice.
Ridiculous and fat and obnoxious and ugly. And she's not in a parking spot. And she's complaining about the exhaust of the trucks.
Cheryl?
You know what? You're so ignorant that you think.
And I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
That's how ignorant
So we're
you
gonna
are.
speak here.
Okay? Obviously you're uneducated. Obviously self-safety intelligent. Obviously unable to just answer a simple request from another human being.
Cheryl?
Please turn off the car so I don't have to breathe the exhaust. That's all that's happening here. You